Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. So first, you just have to launch your WhatsApp application and go to community. And then if you have your existing community, and then all you have to do is go to the text box or start a conversation. If you don't have a community yet, then you can create one and then add some people in your community. Once done, then all you have to do is go to the conversation or to the text box. And then here on the message box, all you have to do is to type at and then type Meta AI. Then once this feature is available in your country, and if you send this one, then probably you can ask anything or you can generate an image using this new feature on WhatsApp. Okay, so all you have to do is to type at Meta AI. Now, if you can't find or want to send this and nothing happens, then that means that this feature is not yet available in your country, or there's something wrong with your application and you need to update. So if ever you encounter this, and then what you're going to do to know if this feature is available in your country and you want to get this Ask Meta AI feature on your WhatsApp, then all you have to do is to exit your WhatsApp application first and go to Google web browser or any web browser. Now here you have to search for countries, or let's just say WhatsApp Meta AI available countries. Okay, and then here you will see all the countries that this feature is available. Okay, so you can see here English in more than a dozen new countries, including the following here. Now, if you see your country here and then this feature is not yet available in your WhatsApp application, then what you're going to do here is to exit this Google web browser, go to Play Store or App Store, and then you have to type WhatsApp, and then you have to make sure that you have updated your WhatsApp application. So if you see this button update, click update. And then after that, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Once updated, go back to your WhatsApp and then try if you can now see this feature. If you can still see this feature, then it's not yet available in your country, and all you have to do is to wait till this Meta AI on WhatsApp is available in your region or country. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.